Well, today we're working on the soft top for my Scout 2. I just got done repairing this side, but what we're doing is a bunch of the snaps broke a few weeks ago, and I've been kind of lazy about fixing it, but we're doing it today. So this side broke 7 snaps. So you got 1, 2, 3, 4. This is a good one. 5. I guess it broke 5 snaps out of 7. There's another good one. And that one broke 3. I think it was pretty cold that morning, and the top wasn't ready, or maybe it was the afternoon. I don't remember. And anywho's, just got done fixing the driver's side, and now I'm going to show you how to fix the snaps on the drinker side. But it applies to both. But you can see here, this one's good. Not good, good, not good, not good, not good, not good. But these are pretty easy. Should be as simple as grabbing a set of pliers and yanking these bad boys off. Let's see. Yep, that was pretty simple. Stick that in the tray there. Come on now. Oh, come on now. Oh, come on now. Come on, old girl. Yep, got that one. Got that. It's really just a quick and dirty way. Come on. There, got it. Anywho's, all you need for this little job are a set of pliers. I just grabbed the first ones that I saw. A little hammer. Again, grab the first one I saw out of my box. And some fasteners. Picked these up at Ace Hardware. Comes in a set of 6. And comes with new screw part, the screw half as well, for in the actual rail. I didn't need that, but whatever. It only comes with a set of 6, which is unfortunate because it's $10 for 6 of them, but we make do around these parts. So when I was looking this up to see how it was done, a lot of fellas were drilling their tops, and it looked like it was damaging the top when it was all said and done, and I ain't about that. $1,300 for this damn thing. We're gonna try to keep her nice as she'll be anyhow. So what I'm doing here is I just kind of pinching this a little bit with the pliers, what's left of the rivet there, and then you can kind of fish it out real careful, like, yep, just like that. And if you notice, I didn't really damage the top too much, if at all. But like I've seen in a lot of videos, some guys just literally take a drill and drill through the rivet, and they can't help but catch the top. And I don't know much about sewing, but I ain't trying to fix all that. So I ain't doing that. Anywho's, so we got that one. We'll go ahead and grab what we need here. See, did I grab everything I needed? No. Anyways, each single set comes with a new, you get one of these pounders, and then you get one of these rivet or snap holders. I'll grab the other one from over here. See what I'm talking about. Oh, here we go, right here. Shouldn't be walking on my top, but whatever. Alright. You get one of these bad boys. Put her down like so. Get you a snap like so. And it's two halves. You get this one. And you just stick it through the hole there. Shouldn't be too complicated. And then you stick the other side right over top. Alright. I'm going to set my phone down and hopefully you get a good angle of what's going on here. You take your little... Whoops, dropped it. Okay. You take your little pounder deal here, stick it on the snap. And then you just give it to her. Just like that. You'll start to hear and feel when she's given, when she's got all she can get. And just like that, snap is replaced. A little bit of damage to the outside button, but I don't care too much about that. I just care about a function. And that's gonna function pretty good for me. So now we just move on down the line. Same process as the first one. Thanks.